Explosion. Whoa, look at that. 389,000 grand prize. 1 cent Dina. And we have $325 in the machine. We're gonna bet 588. I bet. Here we go. We want to get 3 drums in the first 3 reels for the bonus. And the drums, preferably, at least one of them, we want gold, like that one right here. That'll give you a bigger reels in the bonus. But I'll take any bonus. We are playing verses today. We're gonna play Dancing Drums, Prosperity next, and see which one does better. We of course want to win on both games. Oh, we haven't hit anything, I think. There we go. Drums, drums, drums. $6. Woo! We just got the 4 reel bonus. Now we didn't get any gold drums, so our reels would just be like as if you're playing regular dancing drums. But 4 triggers, not bad. Okay. So I'm gonna have Travis just choose because I hate choosing.
What do you think?
Whatever you want to play.
Let's do,
We could also re-trigger.
yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah,
You can
we could re-trigger. We just need 2 drums in the first 2 reels, and we could re-trigger. So yeah, let's do 10. That's a very kind of like a safe bet here. All right, so we'll get a little bigger. Perfect. Yeah, let's re-trigger. Drums on the first 2 reels, or 3. One? Oh. Oh, come on. We need 4 reels of, oh, we just re-triggered. We get 3 extra spins. So now we have 13 games. Oh, we need some full screen of something. Okay, we got boats going all the way across. Hey, we're already at over $100 win. 4 more spins. Ooh! Oh. Ooh! He's the best symbol right here. We want him all the way across. That'd be a huge win. Come on, last spin. Nope, that's it. $123. Not bad. I think most of that money was from the 4 triggers, not so much in the bonus. All right, we're at 360. We started out with 325. Let's try it one more time. Let's try to get that gold drum bonus. There we go. Flower pots. There were flower pots. All right, $36. Nice. Gold drums. We are back to even. Oh. Where was that boat on the second reel? Oh, missing one drum in the front. Okay. Coins. $12. Flower pots again. 27. Nice. Ooh, close the pot? No? Oh. Now I think the gold wild symbols also give you, if you close the pot when you have the gold wild, actually might give you a bonus pick as well. If I remember correctly. Let's find out. Oh! Oh! That just scared me. Down about 50 bucks. Oh man. Okay. Some Angus. Oh, we closed the pot. All right. Here we go. $9 to start. And I'm gonna have again jackpot upgrade. There we go. So all those jackpots just upgraded, and now the minis at $20 and minors at $56. Okay. Ooh, that's a major for $1,800. Minor for $56. No more mini for $20. Ooh, minor. Ooh, the grand for $389,000. Wow, two of each.
Wow.
Two of each. Oh, $21 mini. Winner, winner, winner. All right. Still exciting. 30 bucks altogether. Oh. Oh, missing one. Oh, we closed the pot again. Okay. Do we get another upgrade? No, we don't get an upgrade because I think it was a regular wild symbol. So, minis at 10, minors at 31, majors at 1,000, grands at 14,900. I'll take that. Ooh, grand, 14,000, almost 15,000. Two of each again. Ah. $10.
Rigged.
Well, it's already predetermined, they say, so. 10 bucks. Now, it's time for the drum bonus. Come on. Oh, it's missing one right here. Okay, we're down 100. Got it. Oh, but no gold drum. Darn it. It's okay. Now, we're going to pull back a little bit. I'm going to have Travis choose what we're going to play.
Let's go for it.
Oh my goodness. Now, I would never choose that because I'm a scary cat. Come on, let's re-trigger. trigger. Oh. Okay, there's some flower pots all the way across for 96. Sorry. Nice. Okay. That's not bad. We have one more spin left. We're at 131 already. No retrigger, but and nothing. Oh. All right. Well.
Better than the first one.
Yeah. I'll take it. We're back at even. Oh, we're up 20 bucks. Hey.
Break even to go.
So a couple of backup spins, and let's try Dancing Drums of Prosperity. We're gonna break even here today, which is great. Last spin? That's it. We started out with 325, and we're leaving here at 328. And this was Dancing Drums Explosion. Let's try the Prosperity version. We're here, Dancing Drums Prosperity. Here are the progressives. That pot is pretty full. Exact same thing. We have $325 in the machine, and we're gonna bet 588, just like the bet we did on Dancing Drums Explosions. Here we go. 588. We need 3 drums again, the first 3 reels. This time, instead of gold drums, we're looking for triple drums for a bonus, for a better bonus than our regular Dancing Drums bonus, like this one right here. You only need 1 out of the 3 to get that extra bonus. Close that pot. Man, kind of quiet. Ooh, we did close the pot. There we go. All right. There we go. Get that grand for $14,900. Minis at 12, minors at 26, majors at 877. Got the mini, of course, for $12. No surprise there. All right. Drums. Oh, all the way. Oh. Ooh. Come on. Man, we're already down $100. Oh, missing that drum right here. Is it our turn? Our neighbors are all in their bonuses right now. Come on. Ooh, there is that triple drum that we were looking for. Just missing the first one. Hey, that's our biggest spin though, $24. Ooh. Come on. Wow, so far, Dancing Drums Explosion for sure. Winning this challenge. Down half our money, more than half our money actually. Come on. Oh man, always missing that first reel. Oof, down. Flower, oh, missing the last flower pot at the end. All right, 20 bucks. Triple drum. Oh man. One spin too late. Huh? Oh man. Kinda. Really quiet game here. Usually I prefer the prosperity version. That's what I usually play on my own. Oh! So this is very surprising to me that we did better on explosion. Oh. Wow, we have less than 10 spins. The machine just bankrupted us. Come on. Ooh, the wheel is randomly growing. Doesn't really mean anything, but we did get a little action with the boats and the coins. All right, we got $21. All right, there we go. Bonus time, please. Last few spins left. Save us. Wow. Okay, it's growing.
Terrible.
Terrible. 270. Wow. For all that. No? Not gonna close the pot even? Wow. We have last spin coming up right here. Oh my gosh, we're like 16 cents shy or 20 cents shy. Oh my goodness. Well, we know who the clear winner is. It was Dancing Drums Explosion. This one bankrupted us. That was Dancing Drums Prosperity.